Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, June the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. News of today, well, 261 days ago another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel against Hamas, and the war is still continuing. The red line is still not across. Yes, I don't understand the red line. Where is the red line? Well. Anyway, this will be number 8779. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has actually 24 printed digits. Yes, 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have no 2s. 3 3s. 2 4s. 2 5s. 1 2 3 4 6s. All right. 2 7s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 6s are a majority. Can I start with the 6? That's the question. Well, will be difficult. Nope. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. On the last column. Only 2 places left with the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left with the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left with the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this first row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. So the only place left with the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. How about the number 3, 3, and you need an 8 here. Yeah, 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this big square, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So what are these? 3 missing numbers in this column. One numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? 1, 7, 9. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 4, 4, okay. So we have a 2 here. You have 5 here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 2 places left for 5. 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5. That should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. Then look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this row. Third row, so no 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. All right. Then let me see. How about need an 8 here. Need a 5 here. And I need a 5 there. And I need a 5 here. 5. Need a 5 here. All right. Okay. In this column, we need a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here, here, or there. We see another 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 in that row. No 5 there. So the only place left with a 5 in this column should be there. All right. 7. Then 3, 3, 3, need a 3 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so look up next. Only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in a row below, so last row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 is supposed to be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. Then. 8, 8. Yeah. How about the 5 then? 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left. 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. So I need a 5 there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left with 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row. The only 2 places left with 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Alright. Then 2. How about the number? 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. Okay, so we have a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. 9 and 7. 1, 7, 9. Come on. 5, 3, 6. 2, 5. Well. I need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Yeah. Need a 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. should be there. So the 4 and the 8 are left. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 9 are left in the second row, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Alright, now 9, come on. 7, 1 and 9 are missing here. Come on. 2 numbers left in this column, first column for numbers 1. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this one, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. Okay, what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 4. Here should be 1 and the 8 are missing in this row. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 8 goes there. So the 2 and the 8 are left. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. So, need a 2 here and there. 1, 4, I need a 9 here. Well, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. So the 1 and the 4 are left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Then need a 1 here. Here, 2 and the 7 are missing here. Well, how about here? The 2 and the 4 is missing. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. Only place level the 4 should be there. So 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column. The only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row. Only place level 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left here. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only place left 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers, 8 and 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished. 14 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. This afternoon, the binary. And we have also in the evening the 4 other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.